On January 26th, Uranus stations direct at 19 degrees of Taurus. This energy happens right after that Leo full moon. And this energy is extra spicy, disruptive, dynamic. Uranus being about unexpected changes, things occurring out of the blue. This can certainly be about earthquakes, volcanoes, big energy shifting on the planet, literally. And there tends to be surprises with Uranus, especially when it's more powerful in the energies. So at this time, with Uranus stationing direct, we're going to have all planets direct until April 2nd, which is when we have our next Mercury retrograde. And then we also have Pluto stationing retrograde in May. So now is a time to look at what you're ready to take on and move forward in a different way. There can be more, again, sudden developments, things you didn't think of before that suddenly click or make sense, more options or possibilities that you wouldn't normally have considered. Now, when this energy is strong, especially after a full moon, there could be some things that are coming up that can also be harder to adjust to, harder to settle into. And we also have now strong fixed energy. So with Uranus in Taurus and Uranus being now one of the co-rulers of Pluto in Aquarius, there's more that's going to accelerate quickly, more shocking developments, more advancements, also things that have been happening behind the scenes come out and come forward, and it can catch us off guard. So keep in mind that part of the Uranus energy frequency is to be more creative, to stay open to the changes, to work with them, allow them to be part of what you're ready to take on and to use it to your advantage. So Uranus also wants you to understand that things can happen instantaneously in this world. And we get so used to waiting for divine timing. But with this full moon in Leo and now Uranus stationing direct, things could just come together and surprise you in how they connect, in how they show up. So I hope that Uranus stationing direct brings about joyful surprises. We need more of those, don't we? And I hope it also helps set you free from something. Liberation, completion, shaking something off. You're just done with it. That can also be a way to use this energy productively and to harness the power of change. So we close out January with this station direct, and I hope it leads you forward into what you're ready to take on here as we continue into 2024.